Okay, we're back at it again. Okay, yeah, so apparently some wizard or whatever just decided, hey, I want to update the best thing ever and make it even better. And completely invalidate everything in my past tutorial. Well, not everything. Actually, it's literally just how you play it that's different. But I'm going to go through it all again just because, well, one, I wanna, and two, I kind of just want a dedicated video to S&D stream and not just link everyone the one with all the special process stuff because, hey, it's not necessary anymore. Isn't that funny? Anyways, I'm going to teach you how to do S&D stream. So, let's begin. First of all, you'll notice that my file is called blankscene.nds. This is because I kind of just didn't want to leak PGA again, so I'm just doing this. Second, this does not have the music attached to it because I wanted to show you how to do it from scratch. First thing you're going to want to do, install DS Lazy. It's in the description as usual. This window should pop up. It looks old because it was built for Windows 7, but it still works, so I'm not going to complain. What you're going to want to do is click these three dots, scroll down to your ROM, open, loaded. You're going to want to click unpack. This will take a bit, don't worry. There it is. You're going to want to go into data, sound, BGM, and scroll to the bottom. This is where we're going to add our stuff. I have one pre-made. So I'm just going to plop that in. Notice how it's called streamed 2 and not streamed 1. This is because I'm going to add the other one, because it needs to be a specific format. So I want to add this, right? I want to add this soundtrack. First of all, reduce the project rate to 22,000. It can go up to 44,100, but reduce the project rate. It halves the file size. Next up, split stereo to mono. Now, in my previous tutorial, I said you had to delete this. You don't, but if you do, it kind of just plays twice. So just pick whichever ear you want. File, export as WAV, this is important, called streamed1, or streamedx.wav. Save it here, because I can just click and drag it over. And yeah, we're all done. We have the BGM in the proper folder. You're going to want to go to NDS Unpack. You're going to want to go to the link in the description and download a file that contains these, and probably a version of old S&D stream. You're going to want to take these, hold Control so you copy them, and plop them in here. You're going to want to click up here and type in PowerShell. What we're going to type in here is /rmips snd_stream.txt. If that happens, where there's no error, it worked. Otherwise, let's just forget the period on purpose. There we go. Something will happen if you mess up. Nothing will happen if you don't mess up. So yeah. And no, an error will not undo my work. Now it's good to hit NDS Packer. So yeah, just call it whatever. Doesn't matter. That looks bad. So we've got it all together. I've got the ROM booted up. So what can we do from here? First of all, let's just go ahead and jump right in. Play the custom music. The one I wanted to play it was BGM_play. This is how you play it now, by the way. You just 1000 plus X, where X is the streamed ID. In my case, I want streamed 1 to play here. So put that above the wait timer because I'm very stupid. Save it up. And this should play the custom music. Flawless. I think it's done, right? This is how you play S&D stream now. There's one other thing I wanted to go over. This completely ruins the way we used to play it in dungeons. But there's a new, slightly more complicated way. Let me show you. First of all, yeah, you're going to need to use File Explorer. Locate where your SkyTemple is saved. If you just chose the default location, it's C, Program Files, SkyTemple. I have a different one for earlier versions of SkyTemple and 1.4 and later. Scroll down to SkyTemple Files, Resources, ppmdu config, and yeah, this is it right here, script data. What I have in the description is this file right here with a slight twist. Right-click, edit, notepad came up, and yeah, it just looks like a bunch of gibberish. Hit Control F, search for 1000, and boom. Look at that. This is all that's changed, by the way. There's just 1000 BGM entries. 1010, sorry. But what's interesting is you can just change the names of these. It's just UI stuff. It's just stuff that shows up on here, but does not change a thing in-game. It makes it look neat and helps you remember what stuff means. So, let's say I change this to the title of the song, Blessing of the Moon. And you know what? While we're here, might as well change the other song, which I don't really want to reveal yet. Of course, hit save, drag it in, but I already have it in here. Then you're going to want to restart SkyTemple. Instead of BGM play 1001, how about BGM underscore bless? Oh, there it is. That's how you know it works. And this will actually play it. If I uncomment it, reduce this absurd wait time to like 250, save it again, and then hit play. I'm going to play custom music. And there it is again. Good music. Alright. Enough beating around the bush. Let's actually put this damn song in a dungeon. Lists, dungeon music. Probably replace one of the many Defy the Legends or boss battle themes with whatever one you want. If we open this up, scroll all the way to the bottom, yeah, you can see a bunch of invalid entries. Still don't want to reveal the song I'm going to be playing at the end, so just going to cut that out. Save it up, hop on over to Dungeons. I'm entering Beach Cave. Should be, yep, right there. I'm probably going to blur this, but this is the song you want. This accounts for like pretty much everything that went wrong with the previous version of S&D Stream, like quick saves, monster houses, just about everything you can think of where it requires the BGM to stop. All right, all done. Save it up. Just to prove that it works, why don't we just make 3 a single monster house? Also, let's increase the starter level because why the hell not? I'm gonna show you some other stuff that you can do. Like, because it's BGM play now, you can, like, fade it out, and it just works. It still lags, like, a lot. That is still a recurring problem. But, yeah, I'm going to open up Daisume, and I'm going to show you the power of S&D Stream. I'm going to play custom music. Yeah, notice how it's running a lot smoother here. That just goes to show how strong Daisume is as an emulator. I'm pretty sure it runs just fine on the DS, it's just SkyTemple being SkyTemple. Let's enter Beach Cave for the custom music I set up, and watch as it fades out. So, safe to say it worked. I did not test this at all before this. I would have rioted if this didn't work. And boy, am I glad it does. Let's test out that monster house. Yeah, it faded out. Probably turn that up. Notice how it's gonna fade back in. Ah, it's gonna restart too. Well, keep that in mind when you do your hacks. Don't have a track like 1000 March with this build up. I think that's good enough. That's how you do S&D Stream now. Putting it, like, in the script is a lot simpler, a lot more fluid, and it allows for fading it out, which is the biggest thing I could ask for. Like, if you use a base game track, it will be indistinguishable from S&D Stream. Except for these little blips, which you can probably hear now. Okay, bad example. This track does a really good job of hiding those blips. My god. But you will notice them. You should have noticed them in SkyTemple when I was doing Blessing of the Moon. Anyways, that'll be all for this time. Take care, everyone. See you all next time. Bye-bye.